In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Blogger, which is Google's blogging platform that was formerly known as Blogspot. Because Blogger is now fully integrated with Google, it's essential to have a Google account to access your blog. This means that whether you use Gmail or any other email registered with Google, you're all set to dive right into the blogging world. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Blogger login page. Once you're there, you'll see a familiar setup. You'll enter your Google email address, or, if you prefer, you can use your phone number associated with your Google account. This is super handy if you're juggling multiple accounts and devices. After you've input your email or phone number, go ahead and click on that Next button. Now, it's time to enter your password. Make sure this is secure and something only you know, but easy enough for you to remember. Once entered, hit Next again. If you've enabled two-step verification for your Google account, you might be prompted here to enter a code. This extra layer of security ensures that your account is protected, so keep your verification method, like your phone or authenticator app, nearby. Once this step is complete, you'll find yourself on the Blogger dashboard where you can easily manage all your blogs. If you're already logged into another Google service on your browser, Blogger cleverly recognizes this. You'll skip the sign-in hassle and land directly on your dashboard. This seamless integration is part of what makes using Google services altogether so convenient. It's important to note that traditional Blogger usernames and specific Blogspot login systems have been discontinued. Everything now hinges on your Google credentials, simplifying the sign-in process across Google's suite of tools. Now, for those of you who use multiple Google accounts, whether you're switching between personal and work accounts, the process is just as streamlined. Start by logging into Blogger as you normally would. Once in, take a glance at the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile image, or perhaps an initial. Click on this spot and a menu will appear. If you need to add another account, simply select Add Another Account. Once you input the credentials for this new account, Blogger will refresh and present you with a dashboard corresponding to the selected Google account. Alternatively, if you see the account you want to switch to in the list, just click on it, and it'll take you directly to the Blogger dashboard associated with that account. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to navigate Google's blogging platform using your Google account. With these steps, you'll find accessing and managing your Blogger account is as simple as it gets, giving you more time to focus on creating and sharing your content. Happy blogging!